Snow trout, also known as Schizothorax plagiostomus, is a freshwater fish species that can be found in the Himalayan regions of India, Nepal, and Tibet. It is highly regarded for its delicate flavor, and is often used in traditional Himalayan cuisine. In this essay, we will explore the nutritional components of snow trout and its potential health benefits. Snow trout is a rich source of high-quality protein, which is essential for growth, repair and maintenance of body tissues. In fact, a 100-gram serving of snow trout contains approximately 20 grams of protein, making it an excellent protein source for individuals who follow a vegetarian diet. In addition to protein, snow trout is also rich in essential omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids are also essential for brain development and function, making snow trout an excellent food choice for pregnant women and young children. Snow trout is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. For example, it is rich in vitamin B12, which is important for maintaining healthy nerve cells and producing red blood cells. It also contains high levels of phosphorus, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Snow trout also contains significant amounts of potassium, which is important for regulating blood pressure and maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. In addition to its nutritional benefits, snow trout is also believed to have a number of health benefits. For example, it has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis and diabetes. It has also been found to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels, which may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. In conclusion, snow trout is a highly nutritious freshwater fish that is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. It is a healthy food choice that offers a range of potential health benefits, and is an important part of traditional Himalayan cuisine. In addition to its nutritional value and potential health benefits, snow trout also has cultural significance in the Himalayan region. It is often considered a delicacy. It is used in traditional dishes such as chole, a curry made with snow trout and various spices. However, despite its popularity, snow trout populations are under threat due to overfishing and habitat degradation. This has led to conservation efforts in the region, including the establishment of protected areas and the promotion of sustainable fishing practices. In conclusion, snow trout is not only a valuable source of nutrition and potential health benefits, but also an important cultural and environmental resource. By promoting sustainable fishing practices and conservation efforts, we can ensure that snow trout remains a part of Himalayan cuisine and ecosystem for generations to come. Snow trout is a freshwater fish species that is primarily found in the Himalayan region of India, Nepal, and Tibet. It is highly regarded for its delicate flavor and is often used in traditional Himalayan cuisine. Here are some popular dishes made from snow trout. Snow trout curry, chole. This is a traditional Himalayan dish made with snow trout, spices, and herbs. The fish is cooked in a curry sauce made with onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and a blend of spices such as cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Snow trout fry. In this preparation, the fish is marinated in a blend of spices and herbs such as chili powder, cumin, coriander,